Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. We are here in Dusseldorf in Germany at the SDN and OpenFlow World Congress, and I'm talking with Nicolas St-Pierre from Sandvine. Nicolas, welcome.
Well, thank you.
You're doing a major demo here with Intel, and you are one of Intel Network Builders winners. What does that mean?
Well, it means that in our participation in the Intel Network Builder program at the Intel Developer Forum last month, 4 categories were open to demonstrate some form of participation in the virtualization space. Ours, being a hardware manufacturer, was in the virtualized appliance space, and we demonstrated basically a virtual network function of what is typically our hardware platform running in a package business service that is typically now hosted in the cloud instead of in the hardware device. And that was voted as the category of best in the virtual network appliance.
Thank you. So back to the demo that we mentioned at the very start. What demo is Sandvine doing at the show with Intel?
Right, so aside from our participation within the Intel Developer Forum and the Network Builder presentation yesterday, what we're showing is exactly the same success that we've shown at IDF. So with Intel, what we've built is a complete package for a managed business services that the carriers can now offer. Typically, carriers have bought Sandvine technology for their own use. And what we see now in demonstrating today is that now carriers can take that same technology and sell it to their own business customers, and therefore increase the revenue opportunity that they have. Now, the magic in this is that we've virtualized all of our entire platform, therefore there's no truck rolls, no new boxes to be installed, so it's very easy now for the carriers to really leverage those solutions, do it in their data center and with Intel technology.
So why is this demo so important, Nicolas?
Well, I think it embodies what function virtualization and SDN do. What we've done is gone beyond what we typically do as a hardware manufacturer. And we understand that there are corner cases or business cases where the typical hardware appliance does not fit the mold, either as a business case or simply where it is being deployed. Second to that is the notion with function virtualization that there's an agility or an ease of deployment that happens when someone virtualizes their product. And that's where we're demonstrating. It's not just a piece of software that's virtualized. It's an entire product suite that is instantiated with orchestration that is basically ready to use within a few clicks of the mouse. So that's really the differentiator.
Okay. Why is Intel such a good partner for Sandvine?
Well, historically, Sandvine's been around for about 12, 13 years. Our platform has always relied on Intel core processor technologies for what we call our PPUs, or policy processor units. When we move to network function virtualization, the Network Builders program has a reference architecture. And with that reference architecture, that includes Intel components. They do provide some benchmarking as to what a virtualized product should be able to achieve on those platforms. So as our own product has moved from different iteration of Intel processors, from IV to Sandy to the new Haswell core, once we virtualize this, the Intel Network Builder program allows us to really gauge whether or not we're in step with the expected performance of those devices. The other side is there are other devices. Our hardware devices has some dependency on some of the Intel NIC chips, the Niantec family. Whether we move in or out of that in the virtualized space with accelerators like DPDK also helps us gauge whether or not the performance is there when we use other Intel components.
Okay. Nicolas St-Pierre, thank you very much.
Thank you.